Hi all, this session deals with National Human Rights Commission. National Human Rights Commission was established on 12th October 1993. Basically, the National Human Rights Commission has been set up by an Act of Parliament under the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 for the protection and promotion of human rights. Section 2(1)(d) of the Protection of Human Rights Act defines human rights as the rights relating to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual, guaranteed by the Constitution or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable by courts in India. National Human Rights Commission is an independent statutory body which basically functions as a watchdog related to the rights of life, liberty, equality and dignity of an individual. It was established in relation with the Paris Principles, which was endorsed by the General Assembly of United Nations in the year 1993. United Nations in the year 1991 developed a set of principles called Paris Principles, which became the foundation for the establishment and operation of national human rights institutions. So, in accordance to these principles, India also enacted the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 in order to bring greater accountability and to strengthen the human rights in our country. This act also authorized state governments to establish state human rights commissions. National Human Rights Commission consists of a chairman, 4 full-time members and 4 deemed members. President appoints the chairman and members of Human Rights Commission on recommendation of a committee headed by Prime Minister. The chairman and the members of the National Human Rights Commission are appointed for 5 years or till the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. They can be removed only on the charges of proved misbehavior or incapacity if proved by an inquiry conducted by a Supreme Court judge. National Human Rights Commission investigates grievances regarding the violation of human rights either suo motu or after receiving a petition. It has the power to interfere in any judicial proceedings involving any allegation of violation of human rights. It can visit any jail or any other institution under the control of the state government to see the living condition of the inmates and to make recommendations thereon. It can also review the safeguards provided under the Constitution or any law for the protection of the human rights and can recommend appropriate remedial measures. It also undertakes and promotes research in the field of human rights. They also works to spread human rights literacy among various sections of society and promotes awareness of the safeguards available for the protection of these rights through publications, media, seminars and other means. All these related links can be accessed through the website of National Human Rights Commission, nhrc.nic.in. Here you can find the list of publications and other activities which are undertaken by NHRC in order to spread human rights literacy. Thank you.